everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will be doing spaghetti with tomato sauce and sour cream. If you guys want to learn this, just keep on watching. To start off, we're going to go ahead and add water to our pan. Bring it up to a boil so that we can throw in our spaghetti.
Next level.
Now that the water has come up to a boil, let's go ahead and throw in our bag of spaghetti. Let's wait for it to get a little bit soft so we can add all of the straws of spaghetti inside. Little by little, you guys. We're going to go ahead and stir it and let it come up to a boil again. Let's go ahead and wait about 10 to 15 minutes so the spaghetti can be ready. Meanwhile, keep stirring it occasionally. Okay, looks like our pasta is now ready. Let's remove it from the stove and drain it. After you drain your spaghetti, get a new pan and put it on medium setting. We're going to go ahead and open the 5 cans of tomato and pour it in. Be careful to not cut yourselves while doing this. We're going to let the tomato sauce boil a little bit and then we're going to throw in our spaghetti. Now that it's boiling a little bit, let's go ahead and throw in our pasta. You don't want it to come to a full boil just because the tomato sauce will start going all over the place. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix all of this together. Now that this is all mixed, let's go ahead and throw in our sour cream. We're going to use about half of a 24-ounce sour cream jar. And let's go ahead and mix this. Remember to leave your stove flame on medium.
Next
this is all mixed, we're going to add some salt. This part is to your tasting. I usually pour 1 pass, 2 passes, and 3 passes, and then I mix it and taste it. You guys can try it to see if you guys need more salt. Okay, mine's is good. Okay guys, let it come to a boil and then turn it off and it'll be ready. Okay, our spaghetti has now come up to a boil. It is ready. As you guys can see, this is how it should look. Delicious. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Let's go ahead and serve a little bit. And there you guys have it. Spaghetti with tomato sauce and cream. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.